Mama mu nyina akwa ba ha Kumasi online TV baby a wo bia ne da wasese wagene wani din na wo hwe yen megiri esenya wo nko a wo ne abusua to ni nyina ne namfonom na emom omo a wo achichire de mesre fra omo sesi aka kire omo se Kumasi online TV se video na betom eti obia enko here de sanse sunsumu asam de ye kan de onim tie ne watena se ne edan ne be ka sunsumu asam mesre wo a ka me ho ne muro wo emasuko le yenko sunsumu na yenko ka ho asem ya tena honamani ache ya boye bra ye niema nyina honamani manye ye hyeda ngunu fasode bia ye nya wasetre mu arintina me pesa o ka me ho ye muro sunsu. Let's get deeper into the spirit ebunu mu hopa no na yenko di ho nkomo esanse ade bia be so honamani bia no ehya ase free ho na eba nti so wo ko ho na onu omu ekosi akan anaso ko hunu niema ekoso ho oba anisuo anase nipa sumu a wankasa beti ne mabiase na mu ye ka chew na wonti ase a obefa ne tra ye de woko na ko hunu bia ebeboa ma wo se ye ka bia etise ya ozo wage atom aboa ma wasetra na wotem no enioma asesa ade ama wa je se obi da sori ya no yeyo dabi enye se okoda ya ade achi ya na nyankoba ma yeyo na ba. It takes a lot of things that happens in the spiritual realm and no bresi osunsumu ansana bahaimu nyankopon kura no a ewiase nyina hye de nsa no. He deals with things in the spirit before they come into reality. Enti be besa o come ho na nyina ewura sunsumu na edi eho nkobo na ba de say ya sunsumu president ne ye ba kope ono de okase punu a na punu ehia na ahye ono de o se o ya soroboa se wo do wo beta na chi se pa se wo fam no hui me ka bibia se ongwan toda na okoto krokra so nkasoro da obeyi abafom ama wo so wasere bi me ba cho de me kana asem no me ba cho he is the doctor in spiritual matters. To say doctor e ba kope sunsumu doctor de ono ani de manya no haya ye ba be twetwe komo Dr. PK okay brebi ade bi ba de tu edum na de enna na di kan ya ha ono so na di kan o te yi Alaka wensa and then so on sema hudo de breyen na it will shock you a little. Now for so abawa 3p sanse ye be kire okwan a ebeboa wo ama watimedi ebinum a omanya omo ho anamo achi na wo so atima be yese wo straight ahead ba nko na ye share ko twetwe say Dr. PK
Oneba
champion one
Oneba
the only doctor is spiritualism,
the great power of the universe within us.
Dr. PK,
no power is over us. No power.
No power.
Yes, Samson ko baby a ejinem.
To be no abros.
Yini baby a yes san sakara kwa hwe.
Eza.
There be ejinem.
Ebinumo sisa.
Oh, yejinem.
Ebinumo sachira.
Oh, yejinem.
Ore eja o kan se ya na so aka ni sa. Baba ebinumo sisa o.
Yejinem.
Ewi asira sisa no asa ho bi.
Ye bobo menje wa hwefo.
Ti a wo nyina bra.
Ti a Kumasi online hwefo ne atifo ne adofo nyina ne atamfo nyina. Ewrade honhom mra wo so. Mo amotan ye. Nkonkomo so mo so. Se atade ye hyewi, enye fian ye woro nche foforo.
True.
De meche what ya say. Atade ye hyewi, enye fian. Ana se enye dada wo woro nche foforo.
Sa wo na mo de enye fian obi nhunu se wa hye 2 days.
Debi.
Cause enye efe.
Mo.
Matias ye.
Tena iya na mepɛ wase me go to atade pa.
No that's it.
Enti se wo hye to aso 2 kura 3 4 5
wa. Go for hye da.
Obi nhunu se ade ne kura ade ne ni apa. Ebia eye 1 month atade. Ana se ebia eye 5 years atade. Watade ne original.
Oh yes.
Sine se to papa preko.
And then
what ya sa
Matias.
Na enti na me Dr. PK me ka kire wo se wo de ho tu nipa bia okura sunsun bi so a pe nipa sunsun ekura no no ebetimi de wako wie pa me company nsema kire banyansa wo de ho tu sunsun so a ana honhom so a fa ho tu honhom a china bi wo me ka nkire wo se me honhom na kwa amoa me tima firi ni nchen akofa honhom foforo be careful me metia sesi ya inji ekura me no ma we akosi me wuda
Eza bigi
senior
I don't to make us and be enough. You may have a tea, I can't imagine me. What you might wear soon to my toes, so I was good, and I wouldn't move that.
Oh, there be the Mitchell on say, till infinity, till time I mean, I'm no more.
Okay.
I'm not backing off for anything. If you are Timono, the entire every year I talk about from and say, can I met on last year? And who said this year? Engine is mammy because speed didn't pass me corner. Ain't me flamenco. So I change my cars every year. And yet because of that we scan our yes, I am trying to tell you, say there are certain energies who live ye and chamua, and you can answer what these energies and say, would I hear fufu? Engine Timus is here. I'm not putting that energy down for any other energy again. Or other any other engine again. The last time, last week, my man friend me, Papa dear Quay, said, I'm ye, dear, I'm saying, why are you comparing me to somebody who is confused? I know what I'm doing. There is no power beyond it. There is no, and I repeat, there is no power. There is no power beyond that spirit.
The spirit in the last of
hierarchy. There is no power.
In terms of hierarchy, no,
there is no power. Who is the one who is using a fake or a fake product? Is who finds the original and switch from the fake to the original. Abebona me bunoti ase. Say who usual dia. And I say what dia enye papa. Eye ho a. Na say okonya de papa. De bone no nko ho bi.
No kwasem.
E say o si kan so papa.
Yeah.
E wi ase. Say wa de ti mu no. Wo hwe na say enye ma na say wo de wo manipa gidi ebegina mu. Na wo ye ho dua broni. Na china wo be ka kire nkofo mu de wachini say de nam de nam no kora enye ma hu say bibi chen no nti ma firi mu ko a da onim e say yemfa na say
ebe na obu na na zakasa ko a
oh yemfa
asa wo te wasem no to a particular person.
I'm trying to tell you say see am tie me followers say bi wo this year na omokwa na say the next following year, Mr. Sam me maduma is sama bra bobi amebo a mahani pana me mari di mechino egu ye mahani. You know why? Because when Timians sa and wogu you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
That means say mama is stupid.
I say you are some people are meant to be stupid, others are meant to learn sense.
And I'm telling you, say, everybody is mandated to learn sense.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to tell you, say, cemetery says, I may lead you. Next time, I who said, baby, I may want to cry, may a truthful because a truthful is always truthful. Because at a day, shaman on a Diana meeting, and ya meaning from day one. Soon, so much Timmy Muhammad, the year, man, and ya meaning from day one. And go do some point, you know, we may prove the power being, let me say. Power way above the answer to Jabedi Mediachi. No, I have to know it from now.
But also, who are soon the fun was soon evil, telling the evil things. I copy you always share soon, Papa. No,
be anywhere. I never soon be able to control human instincts. Metias is here. Say, by year at Timimua, by year, operate within a certain time. Not take up. I come to Timimua, it will operate between a certain time, not take up. Etikwa me be nipa da sani a metime dwene focus man ye. Se wonkonkon kra ntimi mu forever. Busa asofo no me mister wi enti na bitimi hwe ase no. Ti na nso hwe ho no. Eye adwuma spirit ni ye adwuma timely basis. Ewie na twe ho a ukọ. Yes, you become a human being. That is why asofo bi akodi boni bi anya wonwa. But the amount of the young one say, "Oh, Gina Musa Chinchina, spirit and inquire, and that's what he did." No, you will even die. You can't contain a spirit to me. What me once and bonichina. say yes Dr. Pika is say why is here e ma na nya because say spirit ni operate at a certain point no wo jam ni pedua ma me na matima bo me human life no ma bo koduru ba bi answer wasa aba say me spirit and me nam go gina me musa 24/7 saa 3 days ya me yes
Dr. Vicky.
So it has to go for the body to relax, refresh back again, and it will come back.
Your doctrines are entirely different from what we have been hearing and what people have been telling us.
That is why I tell you my mentality and my energies that I source and where I'm coming from. Nobody has been there.
Okay.
The astral projections I project, the astral level that I've been, the astral planes that I'm talking from, Ghanaian spiritualists be able to do that level.
Wanka Kumasi o Ghana.
Ghana and West Africa.
Do you know a lot of spirits that work Ghana how many years?
Only maybe.
Catch me.
They are.
They are a lot of spirits.
Maybe baby. Obetias ye debi.
Okay.
Say meti hey. When you're talking about planes, it's different from spirituality. Usually we to move to higher than my spirit. But baby, I mean to go through plane na me to go through no. Maybe I won't even go through. So the astral planes that I can project to know. It doesn't mean say when you chair me, who ni the SNM, who spirit baby chair me, intimate me to go through, won't me. What type of buffalo? Ego is not the biggest bird on earth, but it is the most flying, the highest flying bird.
Yeah.
Right? It's a mature will say, I might look smallish, but baby, I'm a cry to me to go through. The plane I'm to go through. Yamin Kwanin. It means believing me, what Jimmy who did 200% say, there's no way I'm backing from. I'm telling every one of my followers, every one of my children, every one of my lovers say, Dr. Piquet, Timanae Muka, some point blank. Say, there is nothing, I repeat, there is nothing that is changing my mind. Oh, but I can switch to church. Meet my switch to Islam. Meet my switch to mosque. Meet my switch to church. It has nothing to do with me. It has nothing to do with my spirit. My spirit doesn't care. Whatever I metamorphosis, they don't care. They don't care. Lifestyle me living on earth, no. You get it? I'm telling you.
And they will reveal a lot of things.
That is why I catch you say nipa catch you say sunsun more than nam no. Was a sign. Busa ho say spirit na tin mu no so ekwa na. And say kwa be won say ko.
Okay.
The spirit can give you, every spirit is mandated to give you a break. Make my adjuma the whole night. From from 9 o'clock and na ma sorry how much be 4 or 5 o'clock. Na ma pon adwuma. Mintimi nyinam from mahoma anadwo 9 no answer me see anadwo 9 be mewu. Because energy is not me invite no. And then me flesh we medicine is hard na me invite no. So I have to break, go and feed the flesh, come back again.
Tina by 4 o'clock to a more time limit.
Or sanity.
Oh, okay.
So I'm trying to tell you, sir, whatever spirit you are following, you can say, sir, what feeling an answer, permanently. I'm going to say, what can you do? Spirit of mouse can do. Woman, moja no money are there, then send baby. Anna one day you see that don't me man moja ni bi mti waja na chiri bi. So okwa make sure say in the beginning no wouldn't start ya pam no o ma ntia say mere bi beduru a message sound. That is spirit for fry adwuma. But I'm telling you point blank, says, spirit and only so one boy. One boy. And basically, the entire one boy, and they say, if you are serving that spirit, or no idea what the free will be, na nije ho. Idea be our money be na nije ho. You get it?
Yeah.
Tidam say na nije ho ntino. Say, who ja no wa kwa, or no one pe. No. On tia say mausa. So be ja no wa sa koka.
Then go dey chase idea say ka honhom bie no be free nipa mu akọ.
Ana me kire wo say
By mutual understanding.
yes. Spirit etinipa mu say me invoke spirit better me mu. Na say me ni di party a is based from the first negotiation me na koy say eduru mre say ya na say me ye date atoso date we so a me ne untime nya adwuma bi ende da ho.
Yeah.
Mutual understanding.
Okay.
But spirit abetena wo mu abetena wo so de you can't just switch within a day. No. You find on Tonchan. Nearby mean agenda.
Yes, that was just by the way. So with the introductory in Ambusa or the Ababu Druze Assembly. Now, I say, Obi wa person be boni din, but Obi or Eba Jimbe be able to say this is where it is going. It is going targeting it. But and the shadi bia, I'm say, and only you are singing as well. Maybe be a mekam papa say, hey, Abrante, would you win she crano? Jenny Sika Kane, because Sika Ubia. 2 weeks here was as in answer to it. Would be via Sika. And this really has helped me a lot. I'm not say. As one papa kind and because as soon as work as a pa isika. And then we busa. You know, I can say 4 and intri a titri or more dear because of one the was can to the old pia and when young woman and then you pia but you better wow both a cast bear 4. Then it's one no police. You see, if you are crying as convoy thing. But who is a Karibu Okromwa on street is where a convoy and didn't cover. You see, that lifestyle, no, and go for say, Nyamia and Dom and I say, Nabrabo anyone gata. So, in this sense, me was out. DNT and the ma obi, your friend Odipa. Or when it, as an enemy untum, a what trade is said you will be. Wo honam te se de wo honam yi etumi nya ne ho na dwuma akoso ntentem otumi nya sika me fe ne sikani onye sikani kura na owo de odie ema ne ho to no nanso ne bi nso taso tiwa oye adwuma wo hu hwe wa bi adwuma na egu o pesika onye bi differentiate between omo ene sankofo ya omoto so mienu ya me de ato ne na kire de ntia about so, especially with Africans.
Why are you targeting Africa?
Now, so we share the average reason.
Oh, baby,
I say I share that.
Okay.
But Africans, we taste that the more.
Okay. You know something? There is one policy in spirituality about money. One policy.
I'm a machine.
In spirituality about money. I'm telling you.
Anything you can do now.
Point blank. There's one principle. Pe ba ko pese sikasam ho adwuma nyina e ba ko pe e wosunsun.
That's a biggie.
I'm telling you the right thing.
Sika kakraka na me ka ho asma bie chapter 7.
E ba ko pese.
Oh, the ba ko pe be jaw me.
Se osofo obo sika ho mpaya. Spirit obo abe deliver sika na ma sofo na ma nipa kro na obo mpaya na ma no. Ni nsa ka sika no. It is the same as spirit ya confusion gunsa is kadura mobia. The same spirit na or this kind of Santa mala mo bompire. Kasa ya na montima se me ba cheche wa bi wo se ayo na government. Santa na mala mo so bompire. O kan ayesa. Spirit ya whiska so e ba akopɛ.
That's a biggie.
Spirit to whiska so e ba akopɛ one spirit na whiska so.
So a Christopher and the Sumerade, Muslim for the Sumerade, and the other sum, and so, you are the Osusma or the Odibi brothers. So why do you classify all of them as one?
Therefore, let me put it to you. Let me put it to you.
Put it to me.
In the Bible, in the scriptures, it is written that Sikane dwetɛ one dia.
Nyankopon dia.
Go to Quran. Quran so kyerɛ sɛ sikane dwetɛ one dia.
Nyankopon dia.
Bravo sumfie. Amusu sikane dwetɛ one dia. Oh, that is. You see, the principle of money is one.
I said the other me fan.
Oh, asema me kan say no kra, me dey me pɛ no kra. Asema me say me won chada ensuro me. Wonu no, wo betwa wonu ya dey ade wo kan dey nya no.
Asema bi asha say dey fa dey me ntimi kan.
Oh, there be asema me kan say nya no kra, just say it to me.
Oh, asema bi asha say dey fa dey.
One principle which is finding money into everybody's pocket. God. This is one spirit. It is up to me to connect God via libation to ask him for money. It is up to me to connect to God via anointing word to give me money. It is up to me to connect God through Quranic words and incantations to give me money. Now let me break it down.
Break it down.
Because sunsum timi mu na sunsum na me bɔ mbra na sunsum na me teɛ na hɔ na me abra nyina yɛ spirit say kura living with me I den nipa o mo ne me te bia like I den am how to live with me because my spirit. Let me go back to my words. So ko jiska duru,
yeah,
which is partially not even real. What do
you mean by partially no real? Meaning say be high, be high. Also, you give me room to ask you a lot of questions. Partially.
It's not partially even real.
Okay.
It's partially lies.
Partially means some of them partly are true,
okay.
Others are not.
Definitely. Mamen chero. Se sikane dwete ye urade dia. Me frɛ Azaze wo say the demon say onji nipa 20 blood enkofa sika mrɛ me a. Sika no kwaje no ha. Okwaje no ha futu.
Me na ngofo si ewie sika ya kura no Ghana banks ni ade na ngofo ko yi di man ngofo.
Me say Sikari dwete no medical what dey medical.
Yes, for that I understand. Nyankopon dia.
Dey o pension o shira no nyesa.
Dey gu bank dey Nyankopon dia.
Oh, na nya na wo dia. Wo dia. Wo dia ko sisi ya na ko hwe.
Say bankers ni dia nya bank
dia. Deposit 10,000 Ghana. Bia free bank wa. Na say bula van ko fasika na free wa shi o mo ko say o 10,000 Ghana ka ho nti o mo nyina o na yi wa de wo yi mu 15 po.
Arabia.
Ne shi police for no kwa mu ne gina bula van ne say o yi usika na hwe de bi si. O me kire wa say nye o dia bi.
Matthias.
You get it?
Matthias.
So the money is there but it's being shared according to every spirit. Spirit be our portion or heni sika or heso. Dia me chawate ase. Spirit be our portion or like sika do or heso. And if it is say yemfa na say wakwaji sika do. Odi nipa kwa akoma spirit na ma osika. Spirit no ni sika wo. Nyame nkopon sika na wabɔ ne bia na ɔde brɛ wo. And there is no spirit in this world. Physical cash say as paper. My adwuma, baby am nko do dem nka ho asɛm. Physical cash as paper. Spirit be manifested physical cash abrɛ wo. Ebi ni ho. They also all spirit seen them see a wetimi afri sika real. Amana pie no. You should come and tell me.
Why do you talk about things that people have made us believe it is real?
Oh.
Because we have seen a lot of instances where the bank says I can see it. Then people call out then that person takes it away. There are numerous of views on TV and of course on different other platforms. Within a twinkling of an eye, you have a lot of money.
It doesn't exist. And I have many evidence that it doesn't exist.
Dr. Biggie.
Oko Nigeria. Sikaduro Nigeria. So when you ma intimi nyama. Spirit now be invited no. So the muja na koya. O man one city obi shira so the only one city be be double up.
Obi shira usika the instead.
Yes. What you have is what it is doubling.
But it can't be doubled instantly.
Forget about instance masters. So one city. Na so we invite spirit no. Yemfa nsa Azazel. Na say o invite Azazel say mama o moja asemasi. Me pesika asemasi. Azazel nkofo sika na me appear physical ma woda ensi. Me de me nsa se me boka kire.
And they said they are glad I in fake.
I'm telling you, say, to manifest physical something from spirituality to physicality, it's not about money. Let's say we are saying in Nigeria, money ritual, and Yahoo boys and come got a computer anymore. No, what did most of the money kasa? Most of the air control brunisa on say this camera. That is only Skadru. Skadru be able to want to say, most of the guys could be a shop. No matter shop, when you put on to Betadia or Luciana welcome the Giska if you be bottom the Abro. No matter, or back catcher will say, Unia Semesia, Nase, or Papa Semesia, now or Fast Messia or one. Me in every one, what would dinner be rich can be due. Number 4, any inheritance money rituals. Your manifestation money rituals. Your different money rituals. There is no money rituals. I will be so free physical cash. What you mean? You feel yagani. Now we will be able to physical. In fact, I'm boldly telling you today, and I'll sit here and tell you today. If somebody want to dare me with a need spirit to be and you ready, that day the Pacronso or what done them a secret something. But on framing, cook no one moves it to me.
Forget about spirituality now. Let me move us.
Only time make us reserve your question answer. Only time make us. Makon Nigeria ko ye more than 12 weeks.
Okay.
Yes kaduro reverse. Obi a disc kaduro boso mo as kan one pe bi one pe spirit na se bi e say team. Obi ne the ba kwa GB a on pe say ne bande baba fi. All these millionaires you see in the movie, no one create or kasama or kum nipa na scan free dancing in ban. It is just movie. But the reality on the ground, the money doesn't appear physical. The money appears in your deeds. I'm sending a signal to the wise and sensible person. The money will only appear in your deed. So, obeti mama me maso me yes kadura mawa. Me a meti mama obi a 10,000 Ghana. Me a misika na makoyi na mafre sunsun no na wa hira so. Ni afre tu ni atene sika na bi sika na wo de beton obi a no e be multiply times 10,000. What you must say? But me catch say me fresh spirit be no this kind of buy ya. E be dey.
That's a lie.
That's a lie.
Like the question now earlier on person busa. Let's not talk about spirituality now, but let's talk about what we have heard. Me sure say what happen. Say oh obi wo kuku obi sine dem. Oye nyankoma de egu so ode ade kata so a obeba na obebie so na sika e ma gum chon. Sometimes to yete so obi de ye wowo ni che da ne kom. Oyitu a na adane wowo na be hye ne pass na physical and obe sore no na sa ye chain no de ato no prepare sika ne nyina de agu ne bottom na no wa fa no wa use. Say ye wo kan is it raising a doubt? Some stories about Bontin turn out to be false, but we should rather believe in what you are saying. Say a new hot duck. So we can be a kukum. Nesika be shum chong. Or what my show be them. No physical their money. A new hot duck. Nah.
Say baby, I'm soon showing me inji akuduro. You can't lie to me in spirituality. There's nothing I don't know. There's nothing.
So there's
nothing like that.
So there's nothing like that.
Me say. sikaduru atiase was ewo ho. You have to act after the invocations, after the blah 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 works and everything. You have to go work with these hands. And the thing will manifest. Se wo bi na afa so a ana am robbery na ade koya. Spirit na eboa o what maybe ade ne kwan so a ye nche. That is wo sikaduru. Se shop no wa bia spirit na betena mu atwe do ma mo ye. That is your work. Company no wa bia emu na spirit na be manifest sika no. Afa. Intime o se obeye sikaduru o me kwa. Ti na mo se menya sikaduru announcement bia. O se obeye sikaduru o me kwa. Sika na wo de ba. Say 10,000 Ghana. And one year so. Now we are coffee. I'm not taking that money.
Yeah, anything there is is ritually evil.
And I'm saying, say, money blessing is not money ritual.
It's the end of walking.
You may catch on and say, Sikaduro say, yes, what do you back and now what do you be a quackwaji? Never be if you ban. It is a lie. There is nothing like that. The whole world we are seeing in our basic
child. So, I don't tell another castle. Yes, you woman be our confirmation go on move out.
There is no way.
So, why do you know who come back a card as I say?
And you nipa na okumu. Me say o fresh spirit na tie o. O fresh spirit em fa say wa fre
what is your azazila?
Okay. Kami go bia ka.
No go become.
What fre azazila?
Okay.
What are the perfumes amano? What are the candles amano?
Yeah.
What fre no edin a so bo. Rituals a so ye. Yes o pay gold.
Okay.
O fre na just o she gold. It means say we show respect to him.
Yeah.
O fre ni wie na oba. Moja na wo ma obi kokun obi ni whatever na wa collect no se wa ye de na wonya asa moja no eno de wa wasemo moja na watimi asone a wonya no en na spirit na ebe no ono mu wi a wo me fresh paper say paper pie face ka free down wo say ka di fakodi.
Okay,
that is what I want to put out there. But what the spirit is going to do is oba betina and therefore from that day ni ko nyina no won share won kan wadwene mu kura so be chemisika also this can scan ade bia me de mensa be ye bia wo say ba kwan bia so the spirit will generate money maybe yes can be free kura ba.
Oh sir,
yes,
but that is virtually good because bia obi wu se wakukum obi e di moja bi kope bibi
and say dia no moja na kura ye dia ni moja ni ye who says sika free silly mo na say be abska pie free kukuo ma na box bi mu. No,
but it has to come with your handiwork. Ade bi
so company bi a wo bi store bi a wo what they say factory bi a wo adwuma bi a wo ye ana wo invite sa spirit no ma ne moja ni wi a pama na ona ne wo no ona be share adwuma no kutu pa.
Okay,
amasika na ba ona be free sika ba adwuma ni
matase.
You get me?
Matase.
Entino ubekum nipa obeye rituals obeye de scanning app ye box bi ensi wono ma afi bia obi se bia bosumi bia obey 1 billion 2 million 2 weeks bia obey 2 billion no
ko for dada ya cho
bibia ni whatsapp. But I'm trying to tell you say you wait my fresh spirit ama woni woni ono be ko big say masa adwuma bia wo ba ade bia be bo tirim bia wo creative onam okra na sa wo ye oba wo pa wo ntumi mfa wo nsakra nya adwuma ba wo kala wo skin kala na wo ho fe no spirit ba betinam ama ba ma ni bo ni mko betime ne ka chawo. That is your rituals, that is your money.
Oh sir,
ba ma betime afra wo betime gina ko betime gina kwa wo sei na ba ma be pick wo app ni wa ko si fie mu aware wo na say what is fie na chawo en ni campaign ni bibia na japa de ni
na no tini yunu ma bi wa ha chama papa no wo sika bi sia one time krim
o ba chi
Range Rover krim
awon sika duro no that is sika duro ye ka
oh masa wo na wakasa mu
sika duro no
wo na wakasa mu.
Yes na one the catcher was say who the are tipaye pala na da ho no ana say panadol na da ho na wagina hwedo ni saa na otipaye na yira.
No. Ebisi. Even secrecy.
Your friend will be spiritual aurora.
Spiritual.
AURA.
Aurora. Okay.
17 so amu nkwohwe me ne de enya masem aka bia. Spiritual aurora is an energy around you as a human being. Obi wono ma yetimi ni sika honhom wo no. De ode nsa be som bia no e be sika. Oni sika duro no. Ono wo sika duro ni dem ko first spirit ni money sika spirit ni be pam no. Intimate chira was say you fancy you footballer or you musician or you singer, that is your sika duro. The only factor you can make money in that thing. Obi and what about the city them with physical money tone? I'm saying this today. The virtual engineer, I'm here
virtually untrue.
Me say the virtual free ho. I know you have focus here. It is untrue.
Factually untrue.
Virtual, factual, whatever true, it is untrue. If the person there say one day akwaji bi isi dem a wo bia one family me prove me wrong and they me nyina be good for me say me spiritualist be
ebi ni hosa
there's nothing like that
we are sikakra
Mariverse sikaduro more than 2000 types of sikaduro
obi dia akwaje o sikaduro man ko fo ntiase yo ka se wa reverse we ka se
one pay sikadi bi
one pay sikadi bi
one pay say kwan na of sikano fa so ba ne ho no
on pay ni bi
sikaduro ni kwan ya sikaba fa so ba ho ompe biem kwanya sika no be fa so aba no no ompe biem
sa nkrofo na aba ho
mesi Mariverse more than 200 and over bag bi eri wo ko peja ba say bag we na fix kama me no no he just do the incantations okwa say watch no ton a obeton ni be 50 series wo de 1 series e beja wo de 1 series beton de 50 series no
o de boa food na echi no obi ama ho bebo de ne board no abeton because of the susu bia ya attack na chi
yes sikadu wo wi ase nyina no ko Nigeria nyina ko busa ko Benin nyina ko busa.
So the big men that we hear their names that we know them, we have seen them. You bet me Bobby Din on abo Kennedy Japan num despite num kwakuti num na nse nyemo mo ya kese nkwa odwunu wa unti ase na nse
wo ka se bag bi sine dem.
Sometimes I understand and go for drink. As o bibi o ase obekom na sika gumma na akoyi no de ba any project. That's what people are.
Any one go mo de nka rituals o mo ye.
Hey, serious o.
Any nka ne ga na nipa nyina asan.
I don't know obi eni fie wa hu ana.
Wo fa nka mo si. Nka ga na nipa nyina asan. I'm telling you for a fact, if I agro ni entro nchen.
Say sacrifice mo ye de say nka go.
Nka ga na nipa na so te Ghana. Ka ye da so wa. Kiasa. Ghana sa Ghana is for ye yi mu 3 ejina woni ye de omo gross income eto kwa wofa Ghana for boja san
so they go for drink na say
they can be ye blood donation ohia achichiri obi makomade na wa na no link F14 wa say na wo twetwe kura de akoye na de ana wo twetwe de akoye si over wo na wo ntwi bi no wa bra bote sen wo na wo ntwi bi no wa bra bote sen
o pet minkan sankra 2 cities e de aye wa de kra wo
eni ti na wo kochi ni ya pesikaduro a wo nya nku sikaduro no eni ho eni ti na wo ko ye bo adwene ko bie so anadwe sei wa mi time no asai je say foforo ma eni na mo hye ne mama no. I'm telling you this point as a way now me the right time to say it. You say be is true, but I want the right time to say it.
But I think the right time is now. Because I said go for that and go for
a joke.
Serious joke. How people, most especially in the rural areas, you know, I say when she the light upon them, I'll bet sex when you may be we get to be on my jacket.
My be was Sefi. Nico Kufu.
Yeah.
Kuku Nenso. And you might hear you don't need him.
Oh, yes. When I send you,
and the chef wouldn't. A year cantations need be the chef would. Wafa, wouldn't need some poor, wouldn't mean your capre. Listen and listen.
That's good.
Only one CD. There's no way you can get 2 CDs.
And they true.
The reason why we take our money to the banks is that we in our minds, in our intellectual gumptions, we think say the banks are having more money than us, so they can keep our monies safe because they will be no. What the one day kojana only
Na say me nyimi say me wo sika che obi na me sika command of anto.
What do you command? That is why Nanando say I'm not doing politics here. Yes, but that is the reason why Nanando buy was say all institutions, banks are musika. Ghana for Ghana sikani ba kokora wo sika se na wo sa bank. You don't fit to run a bank.
Na ya adwene.
Oh, na masa na wo sika wo de ye adwuma na nkasa sika ni sha. Me de no me de kra do sere wo de. Me fa me de ne mre. Na betuma peso. Na wo be for security akotena wo sika ho a security no wono wankasa no wo free ayi ba na nantri nyina papa. Ah wono ne mpabo akro de ba ne na ada fom.
Adana wo for the juma who krama America bi otu.
Masa, now you are telling me say that guy is going to protect your property. Meanwhile, he can't even protect himself.
That's serious.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Asam kasi na make a chiro.
Obi ye na hu wa hado do.
On say asam na hu nti na asante ko ka ye a.
Ususu ye ni bi. Oh. Ana ya de bi a obi ye.
Asam bi ono wa nipa e kan ho. Nipa beka se bibia ni wiase. Bibi de wo wiase
no kwasem.
Ai. Ani betima kira wo niema pa.
O de ande.
Eja wo. No de don't go there. Betima kira wo niema pa. Say wo sin niema wo wiase betima kira wo tumi wo ho.
Irrespective of the fact say no tiam to one. Me niema wo. Me fa mu.
Niema wo pa gigidi a. Nipa ntimi en that
day about. Obi an try. Ede bi am ka. Obi an try.
Oh, and nobody open there try. O say wiase no.
Obi an try.
There be there ntin nke be wo su ya fo hu. Na no so tro mo bo akwa no.
Yes.
Ane ma hu za akwa no nyame obebo me. Obi ma ma so jani bi mbo na so man ko hu se so ya fo akwa mo tiri mo den. You understand me? Na no akwa no ko wi ade a police for kwache na ehun police for so mfa so. And this obi nya me bone e wo hu de ti mu. You get it? If you step on my toes, that is when you understand there's power in that person. So I'm making a strong statement from today. Mark my words. On Kumasi online TV. Me catch it point blank say Chewutiri say share this video, this particular video, open videos in menre. But this particular video, what I'm going to be share it. Say me Dr. PK, the spiritual engineer, the spiritual guru, the spiritual professor,
the spiritual doctor,
Chairman,
the spiritual president.
Chairman, I guess and I just say you are going to for him. I had a TV. I pray Gane cry, but say guy Gane, quiet business. What I say? Last week, na me na in a birthday. Na me dey be correct chira so for no say na bre wana to meet me see so wo so na sa na me say yes. Oba na 96 years ni ugina honom na say sunsuma sini so atu mu say yes bi o ya sunsum ne te kwa abo se nkofo ayire ni mu aso ni wa nso ni mo beti ato. But sunsum ni wura na abo se wi ase ye mi no. Yeah. So I'm telling you say don't joke with spirituality. Spirituality exists. But as to somebody manifesting a physical realms like this book holding me, say, ubetimi afresika physical. Man be frame last week. Ya did 1.2 billion old currency, new currency, 120,000 Ghana cedis. Is ka drama no. Abra says can 20,000 per and 10,000 per crore buyer. You bet my blessed so the answer to say. Mesi wadwuma na wo ye na wo pesika duro ni bia enye de yesi bekum ni po wa yi sika ni bi fa bra be hira so ama then you take this same money for ko fra usika that is real usika duro uko India is the same thing ntu ntimi ni India ni nya business ntimi ni China ni nya business China for omo nyimi yo wo to mi si China for they can come here omo ya bere omo timi chi ye nsuo ene ya bosom de ko mu kuro yeah. Na nka bosomo na ode koye no afisika nka obasa be wa share tiwa dabi oba ba sena be sena akɔhye what they say dunkwa ko pede o betena sa ateche we munya hwe. If there was a spirit that can manifest physical money kamorofo no because they will not come to Africa because of our timber, because of our cocoa. Do you get me? O se o pesika uni adwuma ye wo fa ho kakra na wanya no opa pefufuo bi pa aponchi bi kunere. I'm telling you, no be say Mako me shop, me barbering shop, ma ton container na nneɛma ewu mu nyinaa me di ko esika. Ko esika duro. Na box abesi mi dem. Me the box ni si wona scanning ba na eba. Na me mete ha na me me spiritualist ya me mete ha yi. Me Dr. Pikia mete ha yi. Kama be me ha me ho abechichiru ma be pedai. Me be tere TV so abechira wo say sunsum te say so me watan. Me ni watan. Nka wu me no. Masa anye de pe hu ni o. Masa me mpa de fun. Na no me baba ko Mr. Ben Erade Nshira o. Me baba ko wo bre me watch. Wo fa watch kwa se me ni me bo. Na no bo me ya na obi ba me ho consultation. Ai papa na e de oni ma wo hwe nyina ne bo den. Na se na watch is when watch the ahia. O se hwe. O fa watch na bo no. Kubusa ne bo. And then nam 10,000 Swiss francs, almost 700 million. Nam so say, and I want me, what me too, or quiet me too, or quiet me too. Wouldn't be a dear? I mean, you mean, and maybe was 700 million, I made a photo watch up. Timmy Banner, the Atodia blessing, wouldn't be a man. Maybe a 2 on a Yame Boras and me, yeah, mambo. Say, the Minyang, Timmy the Atuho. And he may be a Bubu the Achameno. I cannot wait now because right now me here si come more.
Yeah.
Me ti na frame ya me no kasa me ni ke charge o. Chama. Me mu ahunu se adwuma na me ye no. Ye kwoto ho ne am na de aye adwuma na ma. Onya sa frame ya na sunsun retu aba ofi abehwe o. That is why say o man ni nkwoso na blame ya ban ya me say you don't have sense because how much did you pay to the government for the government? It is a recycle system in life.
How much goes into the government's coffers is how much.
For you to even demand more roads, more hospitals, more infrastructure.
To build infrastructure for the.
Say no, no, so ni biye. Yeah, oh, to susu. Nipa na obaji susu no wo no. Kai. Heat na no wode, ma mente so. Nipa na obaji susu no wo ho na wo no wo boabo ano ma wo. Wo ko no ho no. Wato 1000 Ghana. Wo say me pa cho me koto car na 20,000. Man 20,000 koto. How can he give you that money?
Ready.
Wo see kan na wo no ho no pressure. Na wo beti mu so obiti bi come na share na nim no wo di aban ata wo ko hwe wo no kra wo ni business kra wo ntua tax. Wo ni bibia cha se kabra wo ni bi na watofu akram ya piota no wato ato piota taxi wo mu yese ye te dia akwa ye akotu oba school piota taxi wo mu yese. I'm not saying say what on piota nyu but me pesa kira wo say ade na wo demand free nipa no ho no say na wo akodi ni ho wo afri wo akodi ni ho. You can't reap what you didn't sow.
Oh, input here kitwe.
So Africans should start showing some. Go to Europe and see. Go to America and see.
Uzo omo kasa omusi omo kasa
because omo sikana White House what crowd in the for president.
Sikana aba na je no na elso.
Right from the airport, you start see a tail tax. Dubai ya we overstay 2 days. Masa, we overstay 2 days. You be charge o. Na sa se no dia. Opa be tena Ghana. What the ma foreigner bi mra Ghana ha ma you overstay. Na aban kwache ne sesi obete de Ghana for na besaka.
Asempa na bisi.
Enti I am trying to tell you say money rituals. It's not something that is manifested in flesh. Ngai na nke yada. Baby e yanyini osunsun magodri. Ka na masa me fresi ka dan mana ka maba bonte me checha me nipa boni ni.
Da bi da.
O na ka me de me kra akura twa so na se sika ne ba mo na me che na nkofo odi a me boni be na mai. E bo be di kra to so.
No kwasem. E bo odi pa kra.
Masa.
Papa no chase ka di.
Papa na odi me kra di sika ma Ghana fo nyina di. They will celebrate me.
Na say Ghana wana ai ene wo so de kwa Akufo Addo wo say me de me kwa twa so. Me de me kwa twa so benya 17 billion. Jennifer Buma now.
Masa. You may also to Ukraine in Parliament House. It's me there. Money, whatever. Okay. They should let us know. Say, says you can't hear rela. Maybe a spiritualist. A spiritualist.
Yeah.
Many of them have accreditation.
Prove to me.
Maybe a crank by one Ministry of Spirituality. No, me, yeah, no, say, no, ni pabinkan. Me and what now as board members. Oh, by a screening. I was a way soon to the way or a crumb for way see. What am I saying? You cannot call me and say, Daddy, I need money. And we are my bank. Patro, you may be. I mean, with you. I feel I'm a train. I may say, Anna will pesca. Yeah, you want. Anna will pesca. Hey,
Akwabi, I say, when your idea about how to call for money, and not the book. No, actual 15 steps into getting rich. Or your book, you know, in Jessica, no, they are no great.
Ah, you, Saga. My God, I've been in the WhatsApp.
Of course, I'll go over here. I don't quite say, what is going to those my true book? Those book about 15 steps.
None of us are come on mobile TV show. Who say BD TV stations in Libika?
Bebrebe kwa edoso kwa ya ma yanko hokra
enti media me ya me ntibi bi ase o
hokra de ma yanko omo de kama afa omo ko omo hokra no mu dwa
no we are not attacking anybody o as a normal physical conscious person like how on earth would hey na ke ya
ka gana ke hu here
na bi ka me tia bede me ma paki private jet bear nine Kasi, posh kasi, wofa. Kwa kuna ka wa hwemi abebi ntem.
Yo, ona okay na ka meme wa heva.
Eh.
Meme na ka o busa se ka meme fro ntem na ka meme wa heva.
Wo se.
Tama o ka wo de so de wa ka.
Wo se.
Na wo ni ka.
Asa wo ni hwe, me na wo hwe. Me na me. Asa ma me ka wa ase, wo ni hwe.
Okay.
Asa me na ne ma o mi mu. Me na me yes ka do. Ba na wo ba beji. So, ze ka wo ba hwe me kira kwan na me no.
We must have just said, who never go when I want the private jet to be A7. I come in watch it.
Okay, I don't hear the credit.
Come in some time, Honey Masia. Maybe a new man, a quay.
Well, also what you say, who watches the watchman?
I don't see us and Bovro.
Who watches the watchman? Now, no, make a maya. Eh? But in the core veterinary, your mobile is you, you know, back me, you know, we are some to crama is one, and now Yari can view one of them. You understand?
Yeah.
What never happens to her?
I don't see us a fool.
Tell them found one to fear by years.
Yeah.
Because one will be when she dies, who will protect you? Find a spirit which is immortal. I'm telling you, say. And now don't want to confirm gradas when was such a. What's it? Oh, I said, now what kind of memo scenario? Example. If you are saying, oh, confirm grada. Or not so wine. Oh. Patricia Odro kwatiansi. Evangelist. O Ghana heavy.
Evangelist asema mike.
O Ghana heavy.
Mami ya no wo so to wi a no TV so na wo so was anko fo aka ne na obi amfa ne bone nchene na de ohu Yesu asachira. O ana asa o tega na hizi.
Say me hwe TV. Na me ntie radio.
Eh. Don't big.
No. Me mo
asa. Tu ne na Ghana wo poster bia wo nu asem a ene
say me say o kafe na me kubusa. Say ho ano no.
Nuni magrada.
Oh, there be agrada de say ja ye ne ye frede ye adwuma.
Ah, Dr. Biggie.
Nipa da sani asem na okay.
Nipa da sani a oyo ba komfo aka ne bi na o ti so. As man komfo sika antum a wo se enye no kure.
Ah, de me kan. Na wo ye bi.
Na wo ye bi.
Ah.
Ana na wo se wo hunu Yesu, ye chi ni kotum na nsan. Ama wo so wasachira. Oye press conference ni na say wasachira wiase nyanyi ntum. Ama ne onni sa assembly nsem hunu ni bio.
Okay.
Ono na sem na me ke na wo to ani ayira ti say.
Afe na ma metiri o kana say. Afe na me share da hun bakro but o say wiase no me ka kire o say ade bi e wo bia no. Untimi mfansie. Suo ho. Samete yi me sha atare fufu. Say obi ka kire me say atare na hye wo de tuntum a e ono ana semo. Me na me hye na me say hye fufu. Obi anso nze fufu. To hu ni different na. Eti me kire wo say sa obi say fasikabra na usika na odi aba me mana ye mpem wo ha wo fa nka wo nkoto no suman no enye won ne frɛ no na nka wo ba bato
umato
masa na me ma visa kuro na me ma so visa na me nko order me ko me ma visa na open. You get it? I'm trying to let you understand say Sa wo adwuma wo nsa no adwuma ne gu. Wa bie company ne mfa. Masa. Yebetima ye band de ato won sase. Keke. Yebetima frɛ sunsun sɛ woni wachi wo nkwa na nyina nhwɛ sɛ saa de no ebebam. Kwa bia so befa so suru se fomo obefa so obenyi obetwi sika ma on obentwe ma. That is the sikadura meaning. Uko Nigeria kwa sana tie. Nigeria sikadura ni bie ni wono mo a oni shop. Masa. Normal in the normal logical thought. Me wo box every day bia ma me $1 million. $1 million no. $1 million na dey mam de bia. Me ko bi company na pede. Me di adwuma ye de. Almost say mo bi adwuma de kata so. Se do bi obi adwene nko sikaduro so masa. Ade no na efidi me de memfani o. Ade na efidi me. Obi ye ni wono mo a adwuma efidi no ofere. Telling you. Adwuma efidi obi ye ni wo ofere. So I'm telling you say so ofere anka won so ra ho mache mo nsu ni nkotena ha. Ye? Tia me ka tell us say wo so pesika. Me meti hai. Say me business bi a me ya. Me nam nim na be sha asia. Nipa be ba ho. Nipa ni mu a omo ba ho ni mu nsam sika. A omo de ba business ni mo. Enne mi sika duro. That is the ritual money I know.
Okay.
But so be ka tell us say e ma bag me de podu ato. Masa na nye fulani fo nkoma yi. Me de podu ato mpa da guso. Afi bi e be mo sika. Bag mo be bag na so na sika wo. Omo a.
Wentesa.
There. And BBN ni wasa. BBN ni wasa.
Okay.
Ana makayo say baby a ana menya sunsun mu small boy. Na maka say we dey oya amateur until the oka na ko ni ma de kro. Baby a me sunsun anyina duro no sa na ma nyina matra. We are aware. Schedule ni bi wo hono mo anka me wo metome. Wo ba doesn't make me papa ya kwan ya ko mi fie kura tutu wo fa kama guni nyina so asfalt e broda yi go am de bi chiche so hu de me kire wo
Matias
eti me pata me let you know say say awade na atiase a awade no ye betimi ma na ye osika duro on the fact say ukuna dwuma e koso bra yem fa sunsumu nta ukuna dwuma bi echi ukunu tete wo bra yem ma wade a ukunu ube ya attractive to ono. The difference between spiritual attraction and beauty. We are attractive are different from beauty. Not all beautiful things attract, but all attractive things are beautiful. You understand the English?
I do.
And you know, or baby one who of a pa, but the afan one abros why 2 months. You better open.
On your attractive.
She's not attractive.
Or baby one son on your face, but spiritually we are attractive. Nipa hu na no mo kono. Yes. Okay.
Ti say, wo de nku na wo de sra na nku na ekura na wo de sra. Ye betima ye niam wo so a. Madam, wo ye mbe hyew.
Be che mema na esika.
Oh, nya mema asem. Enya mema asem. Babu we ai wo ti pass am kama no. I don't know. Yes, I dem. Me no ye nya de sa.
Okay, wo de
so enya sika di pa be ma de obe ye ode. But me pasa me kiro say sika na business na wo ba na wo ye no. So watermelon kura na papa de so uti so. You have to look attractive to somebody. We be sure na so sure mo wore. Na was unge oni hu ni aduane wonto.
My sister bi de ayi bi twam.
Unya botre. Obi ani mu no ntimenka. Ntiasema me pasa me kiro no say adie bia o pese oye obi ase bia no look presentable. Back it up with the spiritual force. And it work out.
Thank you very much. Did he and the Dr. PK in fact.
Why are my people so down?
Yati. Baba emre na so. Na nka mo question bia mebusa but nyame ya dom na emre pa mu bia next week na mebusa say ekwan ba mu a. Me he say ade ntina anasin susu so be na wo so say obi di no akɔhye tumi bia ase na wo twe no. Ocheni wan so adu akiri ye be hanya me adu na so because emre na so sima ba akopɛ ene o manfo nkasa.
Okay, o manfo de me wo ka nyina ne say sikaduro ne de e wo ho na sika no be pie physical paper cedis dollar no euro no de eni ho me pa achawo ti wo pesika kroje wo pesika wadwuma na atofom kra obi ama ho asore ne da fom me pa achawo ye mfra asore mu na emom no nipa so oden omo betie nyame asem a ne o ma so oden wa ama bibia ngofo o ma mviro mu fie ama o ma asore da mu ohu so I'm telling you bra eniema niema yede be yenkwan eniema na ebe ya ama wo o abrochire o hehe na wo hweme o company bi a company ne tofo enyeme na me ya ama wo ye the spirit bi jawa obe make sure say oye watchman obe make sure say adwuma no obi nwie bibi mfa ba bia adwuma no obi tan obi ato oduro di adwuma no ewura fom a obetima pagya adwuma no ma adwuma no si ho me pa achaw ade bia wo ye owiase bia no sunsumu ni akira emfa esikafo omo Ghana nyina enti na omo bo afode omo bo mpaye omo ya adoye no sene nko nya de sika wi ofon adoye ho be okom de wo ofon ho be but o believe say enipa na nam so ma na ye enti me see wo sika ukura campaign gross income every month bia unya 10,000 ye we de be ya ma ye ma ye ni bumu ma de be buru kra so de ye nya ma
okay
enti me srew ye mmema o physical cash e mo container bi nsi dem but o sika na wo de ye adwuma na bia no no abi na ye de se egu so afre sunshuma tachiri upe adwuma wa abrochi unya bi upe nkrata wa abrochi unya bi me se menti embassy ho na emom no de ye betima ye abo ne se nipa da se ne te wo all my papers no me srew ye de udi ene o picture ye be spread of attraction e wo papers ne so ama wo din ni wanimu na e dan krata ne so no nipa na wo ye in charge of stamping ne sa ade ma no ne nsaka wo krata na o paper na ba bia wo nimfo nyine be ko bia no susu no bedi akira make sure say krata no nsa be kan ye bebre enya chinye ye bebre ti me sere wo entana makomo ne wo emfa wo sika nkoche obi nsa say 1 billion wo de komo obi say won double no nya 2 billion emfa ebeshi me sere wo wo de yi mu 10% bra ye nshira so ma wo na me no nto nchia ni ehwe se be buso me sese na wotwe sese afeda sese se be ye sa bie mu a ye be hwe de bisi
that is spirit talking ta ana honhom kasa na wakari say you know so hey, it's not about doubling your money. It's about finding something to do. The little part of the money you have from your work, away and fabra. Now when you know so ma, any baby in farmer na afe also make a sika for no. You know that our areas. Ya mi sha not tell them to say ne. Only at Travis in the wedding at the coffee book or no the ding at the doctor PK. Now who man no cough for the good as of Fabubia. Then it didn't come. And Yami Atuma, Obisi can do that. What can one say? No, so be sika, but wow. Ama sitre mu betimi edi. Yami Atuma next week anyway, she another word. Edi abro ya come.